No input of energy from the outside is required in this setup. This magnet machine comprises of a water rod of 1000 watts with an electric heater of 2000 watts connected with dynamo through an output wire connection lead, a voltmeter, of 220 volt, and current control coil is fixed on its outer wall. This dynamo produces 3.5 kilowatt electricity at the ratio of 80 rpm. The machine and dynamo coupled with a spring with magnet machine runs according to its own forces. Its power can be increased from 1000 cc up to 4000 cc. It starts its working through a pendulum lever just like a generator kick. Its capacity to increase from 80 circles to 10,000 circles. At the moment, the existing machine produces 3.5 kilowatt electricity. It has been assembled openly for the examination of other people and engineers so that they can understand the formulation and working mechanism of this machine. Within a year, it can be assembled on a large scale to fulfill the requirements of agriculture, tubewells, motor cars, and billions residential people who don't have the basic necessity of life. It will be available in a local market for industrial purposes, for the welfare of whole community, and it will also be available for general public and also commercial. The motor car of 1000 cc up to 4000 cc can be run by fixing these machines as an alternate engine. Within a year, it can also produce 10 kilowatt of energy for the residential purposes. The electricity produced through this machine will never affect the residential appliances like TV, iron, computers, mobiles, and other electrical appliances. At the moment, no invention has been introduced in the market that can generate 220 watts of energy with less circles, 80 rpm. This is our invention about whom we are working for last 20 years. If anybody has any objection regarding this invention, he has the right to file objection before the competent authority. We are a group of committed people working in an environment-friendly atmosphere, and we are not afraid that we are doing any wrong job, and we will never be misused. We are the real assets of Pakistan, and through this invention, the deficiency of every crisis will be ended. The purpose of this video is that anybody, any person, engineers, electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, ask questions about this machine, its working, its maintenance and its authenticity. No input of energy is required from the outside in this setup. It is a very simple magnet machine, a magnet machine which powered by the opposite magnetic forces applied by permanent magnets to produce rotary motion without any input of inside energy, and may be used to run other motorized appliances. The magnet in the magnet field and magnet body have been fitted in accordance with their timing. It has many practical and industrial uses in place of motors, engines, including motor vehicles, engines, as a source of energy which is cheap. It would be cheaper than a motor car engine. The idea came to address the shortage and high energy and fuel costs by providing an alternate and cheaper source of energy which would be affordable for masses. Magnet machine can be produced in millions per annum.
मैगनेट मोटर थोड़े मैगनेट से 3 किलोवाट एनर्जी दे रही है। थोड़े मैगनेट लाने 3 किलोवाट एनर्जी आउटपुट असीं इहदे कोल लै रहे हैं। अगर इहनूं ज़्यादा लावांगे इहदे च मैगनेट ते 3 हार्स पावर तो लैके 470 570 तकरीबन 1000 हार्स पावर तक इसको ले जाया जा सकता है इसी मोटर। ये ज़्यादा मैगनेट इसलिए नहीं लाए कि इंजीनियरों को पता लगे कि इस तरह किन्ने अंपेयर किन्ने वाट वोल्ट कट रही है इस टाइम थोड़े मैगनेट लगाने नाल। अगर ये ज़्यादा मैगनेट लावांगे ज़्यादा चक्कर से जाएगी। इस टाइम 3 किलो वाट कट रही।
ये अब इससे एक फैन भी चलाया जा रहा है। ये फैन की लीड कनेक्ट की। मजीद होर 500 वाट असीं लोड पा सकते हैं। मैगनेट थोड़े लाए ने, अगर इनू ज़्यादा लावांगे तो चलेगी ज़्यादा। ये चीज़ असीं हर एक इंजीनियर वास्ते नंगी रखी है कि इनू वेखे समझे कि ये किस तरह तैयार किया गया। दुनिया का कोई भी इलैक्ट्रिकल मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर इनू वेखे
ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੇ ਇਸ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਤੇ। ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਗਲਤ ਹੈ, ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਗਲਤ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੈ। 20 ਸਾਲ ਤੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਮਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਡੈਨਮੋ ਵੀ ਖੁਦ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਹੈ, ਮੋਟਰ ਵੀ, ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਵੀ ਖੁਦ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਖਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਅਗਰ ਜੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਾਰਟੀ 'ਚ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਵੇਚ ਸਕਦਾ ਕੋਈ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਚਲਾਇਆ ਕਿ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦਾ ਦੇਖ ਸਕੇ।